Welcome to this edition of Dental Connections, brought to you by Delta Dental of New Jersey, New Jersey's leading dental benefits company and its foundation. This series is designed to increase awareness regarding the connection between oral and overall health. Here is Dr. Andrew Greenberger, a periodontist and participating dentist with Delta Dental of New Jersey.
You probably know that supersized sodas and candy are not good for your teeth. But did you know that starchy foods from pizza to crackers can also cause tooth decay? What you eat affects your oral health as well as your overall health. You might be surprised at some of the foods that could potentially harm your teeth. If you're looking for the culprit that causes tooth decay, look no further than the sugars and starches. When you take a bite of these foods, the bacteria in your mouth feeds on these sugars, turning them into acids. The acids actually attack your teeth for as long as 20 minutes after we finish eating. Repeated acid attacks can break down the hard enamel on the surface of the teeth, leading to tooth decay. You can significantly lower your risk for cavities by choosing foods and drinks that are good for your teeth. That means limiting the amount of sugar, starch, and acid that reaches your teeth in the first place. Instead, substitute foods that promote good oral health. For example, fresh fruits and vegetables are lower in sugar and higher in water and fiber. The fiber acts as a natural toothbrush and helps reduce the effects of sugar on your teeth. Choose foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and unsweetened juices. These help strengthen your teeth and gums. So does the folic acid in vegetables like spinach and broccoli. Dark leafy greens and broccoli also have calcium, which promotes strong teeth and bones. Dairy products are great for your teeth too. Not only do they include calcium, they have vitamin B12, which helps strengthen your gums. In addition, milk is often fortified with vitamin D, which your body needs in order to absorb the calcium. Watch the flavored yogurts, however. They may contain a lot of added sugar. There are some foods you'll want to limit or avoid altogether. Your worst enemy, probably sticky foods, because they are in contact with your teeth the longest. They also can sneak into crevices between teeth. This includes sticky candies like caramel, but also includes raisins and other dried fruits. Of course, you'll want to avoid starchy, sugary, and acidic foods too. That can also cause tooth decay. These include soda as well as other processed foods and beverages. The important thing is to eat a balanced diet and make smart choices from every food group. As you plan your meals, choose foods that are good for your oral health. Here are some tips. Fill your plate with fresh fruit and vegetables, lean meats, and dairy products. Limit the carbohydrates. Limit snacks between meals. When you do snack, high-protein choices like milk, cheese, nuts help keep you satisfied and are good for your teeth. Avoid sugary beverages and snacks, but if you must indulge, have them with your meals. That's when saliva production increases and helps rinse food particles from your mouth. Use a straw to minimize contact with sugary liquid on your teeth when drinking sugary drinks. Rinse your mouth with water afterwards to help dilute the sugar. Brush your teeth twice daily with a soft toothbrush and floss at least once a day. Make sure your toothpaste contains fluoride to protect your teeth. Good nutrition makes a big difference when it comes to your oral health. Follow these tips to keep your smile healthy for a lifetime.